following fridges. Some are really nifty, delicious, but others are just weird. What kind of sick joke is this? The process is fairly simple. You just kind of squeeze, and voila, I am in a fridge. Now, the process doesn't always work. Now you see, one time.
How did you like the basketball game?
Ow! Hello? Well, this was fun. Let's do it again sometime. Stay in school, kids. Whatever that means.
Mom!
If you thought that was a pretty big mistake, you should have seen the things my brother used to do. Man, did that kid have a tough time.
Hi!
I ring him up every once in a while.
Hello?
Joey!
Please hold.
Well, he hung up on me, but hey, that's Joey for you. I think I intimidated him a teensy bit.
He tried to stuff me in an oven last year. Who even does that? I used to do what my brother does and travel in fridges, but I didn't like the life. All it was eating and sleeping and eating and sleeping and eating and sleeping. Eating and sleeping.
I love this lifestyle. I get to travel in all sorts of fridges and eat any food I want. What does Joey do? Sit in an office and do paperwork. What does he eat? I actually have no idea what he eats.
I like beans.
Action.
We got black beans, spicy beans, noodle beans, got bonzo beans, veggie beans, pinto beans, tomato beans, fruit beans, jack beans, black beans, spicy beans, sweet beans, chili beans, corn beans, coconut beans, fire roasted beans, and jelly beans. My brother and I tried many things before we settled on fridges.
Someone was trying to be just a little too artsy. Ah!
So when we found fridges, we adored them. We actually had food in them. Oh well, things change, food spoils. What can you do? I should probably call back that food-stealing Fridge Gremlin.
He's a pretty good kid once you get past all the beans. I should probably call him back later. Lunchtime.